So, so what we will do is first we will remove everything. Okay, I will remove this also, cat also. Now everything is blank. Okay, I'm starting from a basic, first screen. Okay, in Scratch. In this, what you do is you on your left side you will see a colored circles on your left side. It is written motion, look, sound, events, controls, right? So these are all the features that you will use as we go along, right? So the first thing, when we are developing a very basic program, right, we don't need all the options. Okay, we will use only few options that I will tell you today. You can try, and then we will discuss that again in the next session. Okay, so the first thing that I will do is to look at the right bottom corner. Okay, there it is written choose a sprite. Sprite is the character, okay, that you want in your story or animation in the game. Okay, so you can build anything. So today we will try to make a small story, okay, and then you can add the game also after that. Okay, so first today we will have only a small story session that you will build using the Scratch. Okay, so first what I'm doing is at the bottom right corner, I'm choosing the option select a sprite. Okay, so when I click this, it gives me all the options that I can choose in my story. Okay, so I can choose anything. I can take ball, boy, bear, parrot, anything. I can pick up anything from this, whatever I need in my story. Okay, so yesterday you heard a story of parrot, right? So let me see whether parrot is here. Do you all see parrot there somewhere in the picture? Show thumbs up if you see the parrot. Anybody see the parrot in the screen here? Show thumbs up if you see the parrot. Yes. Everybody see the parrot? Yeah. So let me pick up the parrot first. Okay. See this, I've already picked the parrot in my story. Okay. So parrot I've already picked first character in my story. Okay, you can pick up other characters also and make a beautiful story with this. Okay, beautiful animation. Okay, now what if I want my parrots to move? Parrots to move, right? In the cartoon, what happens? The character move, they jump, they fly, right? So let us try whether we can move this character. Okay, so what I will do on my left side, okay, I will go to the yellow circle first. Okay, this is the yellow circle on the screen. I will click on the yellow circle. Okay, it gives me all the options there, right? What I can do. So I will choose the first one. I will choose the first one and put it on the middle. Okay, this says when green flag is clicked, okay, what happens next in your story. Okay, so I will go to the, I want to move the parent by some move, right? I want to change the positions. I want parrots to fly. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to the motion. Motion, because motion means move, right? So when I go to the motion, it gives me so many options. Move 10 steps. I'm taking the first one everywhere. Yellow also I've taken the first option. Blue also I've taken the first option. Okay. So it says move 10 steps. Okay. When I click the green flag, I should move 10 steps. All right. Everybody's okay with this so far? Show thumbs up. Everybody's okay with this? Very good. Okay. So I will go slow. Okay. If you have, I will repeat some of this again. So don't worry if you're not able to get everything, okay? So when I click the green flag, I should move 10 steps. So let's see whether I can click the green flag now, which is at the top here. See this, I'm clicking the green flag. Green flag I'm clicking. See whether my parrot moves. Is the parrot moving? If I click, it will move 10 steps, right? If I move, it will move 10 steps, but 10 step is very little. I can go and change this 10 to 40. What I've done, I've changed the steps. Okay, I've changed 10 to 40 now. So you will see that parrot is moving now. When I click the green flag, it will move. Are you able to see this? Everybody is able to see this? Everybody is able to see this? Show thumbs up. Very good. I will unmute you all so that I understand you are able to follow it or not. Okay. Yes. Are you able to follow everybody? Everybody is able to follow this? Yes, so we will do that. Please wait. Please switch on your video so that I can see you, all of you. Can you switch on your videos? Are you able to follow this, or I am going too fast? Okay. So is everybody is able to follow? Show thumbs up. Or I am going too fast. I can go slow if you want me to. Okay, switch on your video so that I can see everybody. Okay, very good. All right, very good. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Okay, good job. Okay, now, so now what we will do, now this blank screen doesn't look good, right? White screen. So we can make it little colorful. So let's see what are the options that we have. Okay. So I will look at the right corner there at the right corner below. Okay, at the right corner below, you will find choose a backdrop. Okay, choose a backdrop option. So when I click the choose a backdrop option, I will get so many options there from the backdrop. Okay, so I can pick up anything from this in the scenery, right? I want to show, let's say, parrots flies in the forest, right? In the greenery. So I will pick up the blue sky, this one. See this. So I've already got a backdrop for the parrot. I can change the backdrop. If I don't like this, I will go and change it again. I will click that button and it will come. There are many options there. I will see what else. So let us see whether there is any other option which is green in the forest. Is this better? Is this better? Everybody is okay? Yeah, very nice. You can switch on your video so that I can see some of you. Very good. Are you all able to hear me now? Are you able to hear me? Show thumbs up. Okay, very good. So you can add the character and you can move the character. Okay. Now, if you want to add one more character here. Okay. If you want to add one more character, you do the same thing again. Choose a sprite. The sprite means character. Okay. In a program. So let us go and figure out one more character there. Which one we want. So I want to add a friend to a parrot. Okay. So I will find out who is his friend. Okay. You want to add butterfly? Butterfly? Yes, let us add the butterfly. So I've added butterfly also. Okay. They can both race together, right? They can both race. So now I will click on butterfly and repeat the same that I did for parrot. Okay. So on butterfly, I've clicked on the butterfly and I will go to the yellow circle first, the events. Okay. I will pick up the event. Again, I will do what I did for the parrot. So I picked up the green flag. When I click the green flag, what should happen? I will go to the motion again and pick up the first line, which is move by 10 steps. Okay, move by 10 steps. And let us see what happens now. If I click the green flag, will the both move or not? Tell me, will the both move? If I click the green flag, what will happen? Okay, let us click it. The parrot is going really fast, right? Because I've added 40 steps and butterfly is only 10 steps. If I want butterfly to move fast, then I can go and change the program. So I have selected butterfly here, and on butterfly, you will see the butterfly at the top corner here, and I can change the steps from 10 to 50. Okay. See what happens now. Who is going fast? Butterfly going at 50 steps at a time, and parrot is going only 40 steps. So who will win? Butterfly will win, right? I will unmute you all. Anybody has any questions so far? Anybody has any questions? Switch on your videos. Switch on your videos. Sorry?
आपको चाहिए
Any questions, parents?
They are enjoying the easiest idea to make a project.
Who is asking this? Can you switch on your videos? Can everybody switch on your videos? Everybody switch on your videos.
मला खूप फील झालं यार माझ्या हाताने चुकी झाली
Everybody switch on your videos. Sorry. Who is asking this?
Why you are shouting, but friends?
They are asking question, Ronit.
Sir, I have a question. Can I tell?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I know the easiest thing to make a project. First, we need to go in tutorials, and then what do they say? We need to do it, and then project is done.
You can save the project. You can create the program. Okay, you can all create the programs. So parents, can you switch on your videos? I'm not able to see any of you, so that you know. Video is on, but maybe I think there is everybody's videos are on, but somehow. Okay, so you can send me the chat message if there is any this thing. If you are able to hear me,
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. So let us.
Able to hear you.
Okay, very good. So let us start with the next step now. Okay, I will go. Okay, I will take the next step now, everybody. So now, if you want to record your own voice, okay, in the story, you can record your own voice also in the story. Okay, I will show you how do we record it. So you can make a beautiful story and send it to me. Okay, so when you click on parrot, okay, parrot, okay, now you can go to sound and pick up the sound. On your left side, there is a purple color circle. Okay. There is a purple color circle, and there you have a play sound option, play bird until done. Okay. So that if you pull and put it for the parrot there, see what are the options that you get there. So you have a bird sound already there. So let us see when I play this, what happens. You will be able to hear. Are you able to hear this sound? Are you able to hear the sound? Everybody is able to hear the sound? Very good. So you can add the sound to the characters, okay? You can move the character, you can add the sound, you can fly the character also, okay? You can turn the character, you can fly the character, and also you can send the message also. So if you go to the looks here on your left side of the screen, there is a looks button, right? When you click it, you can add the message also. Say hello for 2 seconds. See this one? Say hello for 2 seconds. You can change the time, how long you want the message to be displayed. Okay. Let us see now. See, do you all see hello button there? Hello message being displayed. You're all able to see that?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So you can add the messages to the character. You can add the sound to the character.
No, sir.
And you
Sir,
can
we
all
can't.
and
Sir, sorry to interrupt. We can't see your screen, sir. Actually, we could see you, but we
Oh.
can't see your screen.
Oh, okay. Is everybody is having the same problem?
No, sir. We can see your screen.
Visible.
Okay. Let me share it again. See, there is some technical issue. I don't know that there is some issue that.
It was all working fine, sir.
Okay, all right. Thank you. So
Yeah, now we can see.
Now we can
Okay,
see, sir.
all right.
How
Okay,
did
great.
you add this message?
Yes. So I will just show the message again. So on your left side, there are all the options. Motion is all about
Left side.
movement. Motion is all about movements. Looks when you look at the purple second button from the top left, there are looks. So you can add the message. So if parent want to say, you can change the message. You can name the characters. You can name it.
Friends.
ये भी सीखना था ना सर, ये सिखा रहे हैं ना।
हेलो मामा क्या लिखा है?
यही तो सर सिखा रहे हैं, ये सब सीखना है बेटा।
अरे वो तो क्या बता रही तो स्क्रीन पे आ रही है आवाज।
Yeah, so you can add the message, you can change the timing.
अरे मुझे इसका आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
Just mute your line, everybody, please. So you can add the message. You can let us try it again. Okay. So you will see the message. So you can play it on the bigger screen so that you will be able to see it fully now.
Hello friends, how are you? Can you play?
So you can change the message on every step. You can change the sound, you can change the message, you can in fact record your own message also. So I will tell you how do you record your own message and record the full story here. Okay. So what you can do, go to the sound here. The sound button there on your left side, right? The circle sound button. Yes.
Sir, in this I can't record my sound. There is
I will tell you,
something-
please mute. I will tell you in a minute. Please mute yourself. So on the sound button, you will take the first option there. Okay. Play sound option. Okay. So you can add the button on the butterfly. I have added this, right? Now when you look at the drop down, it says the record option. So you can record your own voice to the character. Okay. So I will click on the record. So there it gives you the option that you can record your own voice and then play it. So I will just record.
Yes.
Hi there. Shall we go to the forest and play together? And then you stop the recording there. Okay. Now I've clicked the save there. And when I go back to my programming screen, which is the coding screen, now when I go to the coding screen again for the butterfly and look at the drop down there, I see recording 1. So whatever I've saved is recorded in the recording 1. Now I click it, I've selected the recording 1. Now when I play the program again, right? When I click the green program again, let us see whether you hear the sound. Hi there. Shall we go to the forest and play together? So likewise, you can record the full story for a character and store and record the video and share it. Is that okay? Everybody, you can unmute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Can you explain the recording again?
Okay, I will record for, please.
And then what we'll
Yeah.
do, we need to copy
Okay,
it
so
and-
please mute. Okay, very good. I could hear you now. Okay, very good. Yeah, so let us do one more thing today. Okay, now I will go to Parrot, and Parrot also want to reply. Okay, so I will go and select the Parrot. I want to record for Parrot also now. So I've selected a Parrot and I go to sound. Mute your lines, everybody. So I go to the sound again and pick up the play sound option. Okay, play sound.
छोटा भीम और पाँच डूबे छोटे भीम
So play sound option, and there again I will lock everyone for a minute so that everybody can hear me clear. So I have locked everyone. Nobody will be able to mute now. So there you have an option to record for Parrot also. So for each character you can record something. So I've selected a Parrot and I will record for Parrot also. So play sound for a bird. So there I'm selecting a record. Hi butterfly. Hi butterfly. Yes, let's go and play in the forest. So what I've done the recording for parrot also now. I will go to the code and my recording is saved here for recording 1 for the parrot. So I will select that. I will select that one. Hi butterfly. Yes, let's go and play in the forest. So they both will talk to each other. Okay. They both will talk to each other. If you change the timing, then it will be sequential. There is a wait also you can add in between. So I go to the butterfly, the timing there is 4 seconds. So let us reduce the timing to 1 second. Hi there. Shall we go to the forest and play together? Hi butterfly. Yes, let's go and play in the forest. Is that okay, everyone? Does it make sense? I will unlock. Everybody can talk. Then you can unmute your lines.
Yes. Yes.
Time it
Sir, can you
separately.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Somebody is asking something. What was that?
Yes.
How to time it?
I know the easiest thing was to make a project. We need to go in tutorial.
Children, wait a minute. Somebody is asking question. Please wait. Please wait. Raise your hand. I will unmute. Yes, Hitansh, you are asking something. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Hitansh.
can we save this file, whatever the project we created, and
Yes.
can we share this directly?
Yes, yes, I will share. I will share. I've shared the full recording also.
No,
Sir,
sir.
I have one question.
Whatever the project we create this coding,
Okay.
can we save this for
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello. How to time it at different times?
Yes. So there is a wait option also. There is a wait option, and there are more programming events attached to this, right? So you can make it sequential. So it may be a little complex right now. Right now, you will. Please wait, beta. Let me answer. I will. Everybody, I'll mute it. So just to time it, right? There are many options there in a program, right? So right now, just to keep it things simple, use only the wait option. So you can have one character speak, wait, another character speak, wait, third character speak, wait. And then next level, when they are able to, there are many statement there which we can use if else, use the background and all of that. That will help us to control the complete communication actually on this. Maybe little complex for the first session. That's the reason we are not covering any of that. Yeah, somebody.
Sir, sir, I'm Avyuk. Can I tell how we can make the dialogue box and the sound come at the same time?
Please wait, Avyuk. Let them first, get the basics. Everybody should be able to develop what we have done today, and we will toward the end of the program we will cover that. Please wait. We will cover that to the end of the program. Any other questions you have? Anybody?
Where is the wait option?
There is a weight option. Yes, there is a weight option. You can add the weight in seconds so that your sprite weights.
Can you show
Eh,
me?
We will show it to you in few minutes. Please wait. Any other questions you have in general? Whatever we did is that clear? Whatever we did today, is that clear to everyone? Any questions on what?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions on what we did today? Okay, very good. Okay, now so as a part of CIA, what we have done is we have formed a group of students. They are really good at the Scratch programming, and they are helping others as well. So Avyukt is one of them. Arnav, Shavay, they're all being part of that team. They are trying to help everybody learn the programming. So Avyukt wanted to share how do we have the sprite talk to each other. So Avyukt, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, Avyukt, wait for a minute. Somebody is asking something. Yes.
Yeah, sir. Actually, for getting all the characters,
Yes.
which button over right side you said?
Yes, yes. I will cover that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So at the right corner, bottom right corner, you will see the option. There are two buttons. One is, are you able to see this?
No. 1 second. Yeah. Actually, at the right side, the small logo is okay. Fine.
Yes, yes. The first logo is choose a sprite. A sprite is basically a character.
Okay.
And when you click on that, you will get the whole load of the by default characters that is already loaded there in the program. That you can pick up any and do the programming around it.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
And if you want to change the background, the next logo is the background, which is the backdrop. So that you can pick up any backdrop actually.
Got.
So if you want to change the one which we have right now, you can pick up this one actually. So you can change the backdrop the way you like it.
sir,
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Anyone else? Any questions before we? Yes.
Sir, where is time shows? You change the timing.
Yes, you can change the timing. You can see this.
Sir, how you change the timing?
Yes. So see this. The statement there. Say hello.
Help.
Say hello. Yeah, okay. So look at this. If I want to say hello for 1 second, I can change that to 2 seconds, 3 seconds, whatever the time that you
How
want.
can we move parrot's wings?
Parrot's wing, yeah, that's a good question. There is an option to change.
We can go in looks and take the next.
No, there is an option that you can choose to change. Hello? There is an option. There is an option to change the color. There is an option to change the parrot's wing so that it look like it is flying. Okay. You can change the backdrop. You can change a lot of things. It will require the next session actually. We are already over 1 hour in this session. So whatever we wanted to cover is already covered in this session. In the next session, we can cover how do you change the color, background, how do you change the parrot look like actual flying, how do we make the two sprite talk to each other with the weighting and all of that. So we can cover all of that in the next session if you like.
Thank you.
So parent, what we will do, just to mute everybody, right? Given that we are running out of time, please mute yourself. So parent, what we will do, we have 2-3 experts in the group. third, fourth standard, they will be joining this WhatsApp group, right? So if you face any difficulty in doing what we did today, right? Any problem in terms of saving, any problem in terms of moving the sprite, or you want to add any other features, you can share the message on your in the WhatsApp group. Whichever group you are part of, one of us will respond to you with the solution on that group. You can try what we did today, and you will be able to explore much more in the process. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, any option to save the file, save this story as a shortcut or something?
Sorry, say it again, ma'am. I couldn't hear it fully.
Yeah. No, I'm asking that is like after the story is created, is there an option to save it and store it as a shortcut, or we have to come to this Scratch website?
No. So there is an option to save it. There is an option to save it. See, first of all, when you sign in, when you sign in, you will see the save now option at the top. So you will be able to sign in, and then you will be able to save your program online on the website itself. So you have to sign in to save your programs. Okay. And then when you go in next time, you can use the same program further and add your additional details in the same place. So you need to sign in to see all these features. You can record it, you can do the movement, you can do the rotations and all of that. Okay. So Avyuk, you wanted to say something. Can you cover quickly before everyone logs off? Avyuk?
Yes, sir. So, what I wanted to share is how we could make the dialogue and sound at the same time. So, we could make it with the stuff we just learned right now. So, for that, could I share screen?
Yeah, go ahead, share it. I will need to stop sharing. Please
Sir, so can I share it right now?
share it now. Yeah.
Sir, the screen sharing is right now disabled.
Okay. Try now. So parents, Avyuk, Shravay, and Arnav, the three of this, all of them are going to be in the different groups. So any problem that you face in your program, you just drop a line, and one of us will get back to you with the solution.
So what happens here is when the flag will be clicked, that time the dialog box that will say hello parrot will come out, and I've recorded a sound which will say hello parrot, and then the dialog box will disappear because I've said nothing over here. So then over here, after this says, it takes 1 second, and then this
Somebody is
doing.
Yeah, so I think Avyuk, we will take up this in the next session. I knew this will happen. That's the reason I could put the complete control. So we will cover this. Avyuk was sharing very important module, but we will share it offline on a WhatsApp group. And there are many creative programs this have done. I will just show you one of the programs that this team has developed.
Share ले दो.
वो अच्छी लगती है ना देखो पैटर्न
Just a minute, guys.
एक तो हो गया वो बैठा होगा मैं दूसरी कहानी बनाऊं
तो किस पे बिठाना है हमें
इसके ऊपर पर वो ज्यादा छोटा तो नहीं है ना उसका देखो वो कहीं पे जा रहा होगा तोता बोलता होगा वो वाला और एक दिन
I will just show this one program that you will get an idea as to what can be done.
आ रही अरे ये तो रेल जैसा लग रहा है ना वो भी चली गई दोनों जा रहे है ना मुझे इसमें एक लड़की को भी लेना है।
गर्ल ऐड करो, फिर करो एक गर्ल ऐड,
गोलैट
गर्ल को ऐड करो।
Zombie shooting game, which I have made. This is an interesting game which I made. The
So
player,
likewise,
which is
any of this program
as
can
you
be
can see,
developed.
is holding a gun, and
So this is one way of developing this. Probably will require some more time for them. But the simpler one, I'll show one simple one also, which is very easy and our kids can easily make it.
सही नहीं
This one.
यही सही रहेगी।
See this one. This.
Today we are going to learn about Earth. Earth is the only planet which has life. There are 7 continents on Earth. Do you know? Yes, ma'am. I know them. They are Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Africa, and Antarctica. Okay, the class is over. See you soon. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
So likewise, you cannot even do any programming. You can just do the basic what we did today and build the whole story actually. So and kids will be very easily be able to record their own story and build a story like this. So so is everybody like the session or it was too much?
Yes.
So what I want is
Sir.
So what I want is
Sir.
very good. So please wait. I'm talking something else now. Okay. So whatever we covered today, can you make a small animation story and share it with me? Very small. Don't add any complexity there. And have any character move little bit, talk little bit, or message little bit. Okay. Keep it very, very simple things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you all do it? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Will we make it?
All right.
Make it, sir.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye everyone.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Studio.